Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tintin. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about cruise ship interview for the restaurant department. Whether you're applying as a waiter, assistant waiter, utility, or dining attendant, this guide will give you a head start to land that job on board. Before we go to the questions, let's first understand the different positions in the cruise ship restaurant team. First, restaurant utility. Entry level, responsible for cleaning, carrying plates, organizing back of the house areas. Assistant waiter helps the main waiter serve food, clear tables, refill drinks, and attend to guests. Waiter takes guest orders, explain the menu, serve meals, and delivers a full fine dining experience. Dining room attendant works in a buffet or main dining areas, helps organize the flow of service and guest need. Common interview questions and sample answers. Now, let's go through the most commonly asked question during cruise ship restaurant interviews with answers to help guide you. Tell me about yourself. My name is Tintin, and I've been working in the food service industry for 3 years. I enjoy serving people, working with the team, and keeping high standards of cleanliness and hospitality. I'm excited to grow my career in the cruise industry. How do you handle a difficult or unhappy guest? I always listen first and let the guest explain the situation. I stay calm, show empathy, and try to resolve the issue immediately. If it's beyond my control, I report it to my supervisor. The goal is to turn a negative experience into a positive one. What will you do if you accidentally serve the wrong order? I would politely apologize to the guest, take back the wrong dish, and quickly inform the kitchen to prepare the correct one. I'd also keep the guests updated while waiting and offer water or bread to make them feel attended to. Why do you want to work on a cruise ship? I want to work on a cruise ship to grow professionally, support my family, and experience new cultures. I also want to be part of a high-standard hospitality team where I can learn and contribute every day. How do you handle stress during peak service hours? I stay focused, stay organized, and communicate well with my team. I take a deep breath and remind myself that teamwork is the key to smooth service, even during the busiest times. Now that you've seen the questions, let me give you the real tips that will make a difference in your interview. First, study the dining experience. Know basic table service, like which side to serve from, wine glass placements, and how to take an order properly. Even if you're applying for an entry-level role, this knowledge shows that you're serious and ready. Practice speaking in English. Most interviews will be in English. Practice how to describe your experience. Greet a guest, apologize politely, and explain dish clearly. These are real-life tasks on board. Be polite and professional. Smile, sit up straight, and use polite language like sir, ma'am, and thank you. Good manners go a long way in hospitality. Show that you are ready to work hard. Working on board means long hours, busy dining rooms, and lots of physical work. Mention that you're ready for the challenge and committed to your responsibilities. Prepare your documents. Before your interview, make sure your resume, valid passport, training certificates, and other requirements are organized and ready, especially if the agency asks for them after the call. And lastly, attitude is everything. Cruise lines are looking for people who are willing to learn, willing to smile, and willing to serve, no matter what position you're applying for. Let me leave you with this. Your background doesn't define your future. Your mindset does. You might be coming from a small restaurant, a fast food place, or no experience at all. But if you show up prepared, respectful, and eager to learn, doors will open. A cruise ship job is more than just work. It's a journey. It's a way to support your loved ones, travel the world, and grow into the person you've always dreamed of becoming. So keep practicing, keep applying, and don't stop until you're standing on that ship, proud of everything you've overcome to get there. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's also applying for cruise ship jobs. Let me know in the comments that department you want me to feature next. See you!